Shout out Crazy Custom. We got this 125 we just picked up from a customer that had it sitting outside. About to do a full restoration on it. It runs, but I'm gonna show y'all how it runs. See if I can get it cranked back up. Good Lord. Smoking. Smoking. Yeah. Full restoration. Paint, plastics. Engine rebuild, piston rings, top end gaskets. We got a new carb out there. The gas tank was clean. We'll do another little gas tank flush. Make sure everything's out of there. Brake master cylinder. We got a new one of these on the way. Some plastics, seat. We already got the parts for we already got the rebuild. Piston rings, gaskets, new carb. We had that probably done tonight. Shout out Crazy Customs. Look, she's still smoking. Smoky. Good God. Yeah. Only thing we gotta do now, make sure the clutch work like it's supposed to. Once we find out it work like it's supposed to, we're gonna be rebuilding it tonight, and parts be in a couple days. So shout out Crazy Customs.